Hi there, Peter Russell here from Supertax. Thanks for attending another one of my video blogs. Today's brief topic is on the deductibility of meals and entertainment expenses here in Canada. Now let's suppose you're an employee or self-employed and you've incurred meals and entertainment for the purposes of earning income. If that's the case, then you're most likely entitled to deduct up to 50% of your meals and entertainment amount on your income tax return. Now, what's the difference between meals and entertainment? Meals is essentially food and beverages. An example would be taking your client out for dinner for the purposes of discussing business. Entertainment generally represents things such as concert tickets, theater tickets, sporting events, or attending a nightclub. Now, meals and entertainment together, generally you can only take 50%. But there is situations where you can take 100%. We call these exceptions. The first exception would be where you're in the business of providing food, beverages, and entertainment for compensation. An example would be the hotel industry or restaurant business. Another exception would be where you provide meals and entertainment costs for the purposes of a social event for all your staff. This would be, as example, a Christmas party or an annual picnic. Another situation would be where you attend a fundraiser for a charitable organization. Another situation would be where you bill your client for recovery of your expense. In that case, the recovery would offset your meals and entertainment deduction, and on the other side, then the client would be eligible for only 50% deduction of that meals and entertainment expense. Another example would be where the person who received the benefit would receive a taxable benefit on their T4 for income tax purposes. One final situation is where the employee is being posted at a remote work location where it just would not be reasonable for that individual to return home on a daily basis. He then generally would be set up with food and shelter on the work location. Now, in a situation where the employee or self-employed person has a convention or conference expense, now generally you're allowed to deduct up to 2 per year. But what if there is a meals and entertainment component of that convention or conference expense? Then generally, for each day you attended the convention or conference, you would allocate $50 as meals and entertainment, and you would only take 50% of that amount as a deduction. Okay, I hope you found this video informative on the deduction of meals and entertainment expenses here in Canada. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below, or you can send me an email at peter@supertax.ca. Thank you very much. Have a great day.